Don't see very many of these around. I'm willing to bet this guy probably owned this truck for like ever. Drives it around daily. Thing's cool. I love to take that off his hands, restore it, take it to shows. Man, Fremont got hit with hail a little while ago. Oof. Man, it got rocked so bad. The dents on the white part is actually the hail took the stucco out, the air conditioning units and stuff. And then like you look on here, it's like, man, they just got rocked. I can't imagine being in a semi truck here, being parked here and just getting killed with hail.